Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to part 5, I think this is. Let me check here. Yeah, this is part 5. So, in this part, we're going to be trying to compile this thing on Windows. Now, there will probably be some code changes required for Windows, so we'll try to implement them as we go. So let us actually clone this thing. We'll open inside here. Oh Jesus, why is it so big? What the heck? Alright, that should be good. Alright, so yeah, I can't really organize it easily on Windows, so I guess it'll just be here. Alright, so fun fact, I actually did try this on Mac OS, and this is actually all you need. So like the installation is fairly similar. I'm actually going to move this thing into here. Wait a second, why is this? This should be 2. Oh shit. God damn it. Yeah, this should be 2. This should be 3. Yeah, okay, cool. Yes, installation is fairly straightforward. Just put that in here. Yeah, it's a 3, okay. Yeah, so on macOS it is actually just this. I tried it on my work laptop, obviously, since you know I'm not gonna use this actual shit for you know, personal use, I suppose. But luckily it's straightforward, provided that you installed everything with brew. All it is like pretty similar command to Linux. You just need to kind of specify more libraries in there in the different location, stuff like that. But yeah, it's all right. Now, for Windows, yeah, we'll probably need to do something here. So there's a DLL and there is a lib. Huh. Okay, well, there is a zip here that we can download. So, Jesus, let us download that. Yeah. Okay. Right, so we have an include here. Okay, interesting. So there's a Win API here. Okay, and then there is okay, for some reason this doesn't show the fucking extensions for some reason. No, what the heck? Oh no, this is a folder. I see. Okay. So there's HID. Yes, that's for 64, 86. Okay. So let's actually put it in here, I suppose. We'll just call it HID API win. And then we will drop all of this shit in here. Did that work? I don't think so. Yeah, that didn't do anything. Why the hell? Oh my god, man, I fucking hate when... Okay, can you fucking move this shit in here, please? Okay, good, finally. Jesus Christ. And now, we will, what is going on today? Jesus. Ready, API, win. And we'll also do the zip as well, just in case you boys fucking forget to put it in. Right, so yeah. We have DLL, we have lib, and then we have some fucking shit here. That's fine. Okay, let's get rid of this shit. Don't worry about that. Okay, anyway. Now that we have this, yeah, you will need to download the zip here and extract it into the project into HID API win folder, like so. Right, next thing is we got everything pretty much. If I were to go into references here, so as you can see here, they do have some Windows shit here. So headers for sleeping include windows.h. Now I'm pretty sure windows.h is universal on Windows, so we don't need to, you know, I can worry about that. I hope. Yeah, if we search for Win32, it shows up 11 times. Holy moly. Okay, so there's... Open... Huh, weird, because I never actually used this thing, and it worked fine with Apple anyway, so I guess we'll just fucking leave it. Why is this pause here? I don't know. Okay, well anyway, we just need this thing. If Win32 sleep, so I think I have it here somewhere. Yeah, I have you sleep here. So we'll do this. And if, yeah, put that here, put that here, and this will actually be a delay between loops, because this thing is in, you know, milliseconds, which is 100. So that is fine. What else does it have a problem with? Okay, so it has some problem with this H example. Why, what's the problem here? Ah, interesting. Interesting. Huh. Shouldn't be. Okay. Let us ask the bot, because I don't think we have GCC in here. So if I did GCC, yeah, GCC is now recognized as a thing. I actually have no clue how to compile for Windows. So let us investigate. So we need the chatter, and let us ask. Okay, so Yeah, we'll actually do macOS because that's we'll need these like paths as well. So I am able to compile my C program on Mac OS using the following. But how do I compile it on Windows 11? Okay, let's see. Okay. McW. Okay. Windows blah blah blah. I'll download the library for Windows. You can find the source code here. Wow, it actually has the correct thing. Okay. Compile your program. Okay, let's try McW. Whatever the fuck this is, min McW. I do not trust that link, so I'm just gonna search it here. Okay, is there like a wiki for this thing? Because yeah, there it is. So this thing usually has the correct website for it. Yeah, because there's like a lot of, you cannot trust search engines these days. There's just so much fucking malware. Like, they will actually serve you malware before they serve you the actual fucking real thing. So Wikipedia is like ironically the trusted one. Let's see their repo then if this shit doesn't never load. No, okay, finally it loaded. Really, this is it? Are you serious? Like, what the fuck is this? Okay, let us go into download. Or maybe here, download this thing. Okay, why is everything just so why is this so fucked? It's the same page as well. Okay, so this is minimalist GNU. Okay, interesting. What the fuck is this shit? Like, holy fuck. Okay. Do you know, I'm gonna try on Choco, because like this is actually insanity. So let's see, Choco update. I think you need to do like all or something stupid like that. Maybe like this. Ah, fuck it, I don't care. Choco search. What is this thing called? Min GW. Oh wow, there's actually a lot for some reason. Okay. Min GW. Alright, let's try that. So Choco install. And min GW. So let's see how big this shit is. 69 megabytes, not too bad. Oh wait, that was some... Ah, fuck it, I don't know. Okay. Let me copy this. Then, using Choco Latte, install min GW. So now, So now I should have GCC if I were to reopen. Let me fucking Jesus. Okay. My god, like what a fucking pain in the ass, holy shit. Anyway, let me open the terminal again. And let's see if I have GCC. Cool, so now I actually have GCC. That is pretty fucking funny and fucking cool at the same time. Now then, chocolate. Need to get the link for this so people know what the fuck is going on here. Oh my god, what is this shit? Just let me fucking download it, man. Like, what is this shit? God, like, man, these fucking websites are so fucking useless. Holy shit, like. Yeah, no support. Oh my god. Where the fuck is the... My god. How is it so shit? Okay, there we go, install. What is this trash? Okay, whatever, you boys can fucking figure that out. I'm just gonna give you the link. So, using install chocolate. Okay, put that in here. And that should be fine. Look at me, like, Jesus fucking Christ. Okay, so... what the fuck? Right, so yeah, we have all this shit. Now, what do you need? QMK, yeah. Okay, so path to include and path to lib. And then the same thing pretty much. So let's try this thing. So yeah, this is to get GCC on Windows. Right, so what are we doing here? We are path to HTTPI include. Right, so this is... I hope you can do something like this. Win include, and then the path to library is going to be HID win, and it's gonna be x64, I think. Let's try that out. Okay, it's okay. It actually compiled something. So we created an exe here, so that's good. I'm gonna copy this exe, or gonna copy this thing because I don't want it to be, you know, included in the repo. So yeah. Okay, let's try and run it. QMK. Now the exe. Then we'll run with H for help. Okay. That's not good. So it didn't print help, which is unfortunate. Yeah, what if we just ran it with show? Okay. So what the fuck? Why isn't it running? I did create like a fucking exe file though, so that is interesting. Yeah, because here, yeah, here they don't Yeah, like they use printf and it should work. Yeah, like I don't really understand why printf doesn't work. That doesn't make any fucking sense. Let's try running it in just CMD. Alright, so cd Ubuntu Windows cd QMK raw. Jesus. Then QMK exe h. Huh? Okay, well then, because was not found. Interesting. Interesting. HID API DLL. Ah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. I see. I see what the problem is. So if you're ever, you know, modding games, you will actually run into this thing. But yeah, basically what we need to do is we need to drag this into here, like so. And we can actually get rid of this shit. And we should... Wait, what the heck did I... Oh shit, I dragged the wrong one. Yeah, the lib needs to actually go back in here. Fuck's sake. Yeah. Yeah, so when we're compiling, we use the lib, yeah, which is in the x86 or in the x64, I mean. Yeah, but then when we're running the actual thing, it needs to have this here. So yeah, there we go. Okay, so it seems to work on CMD. I wonder if it's gonna work now. Okay, interesting. So okay, that is very interesting. So now it works here as well. Okay. Cool. Alright, that is fucking annoying. But yeah, it is what it is, and it isn't what it isn't. So HID API.dll. Now, one thing we can do is we can try to dynamically compile. So make sure that this DLL is inside in the fucking binary. So that way you don't need to have, like, you know, dangling fucking bullshit around the place. But yeah, anyway, let's go with show. Oh shoot. Oh no, we should be okay. Yeah, so there's the usage page and all that shit. The path is completely fucked up. So I hope that doesn't, you know, mess anything up. But yeah, at least our usage and usage pages are here, which is the most important bit that we actually need. So then let's just try and run it with VV and see how it goes. Okay, wow. I mean, sure, it is what it is. Okay, now then. So I'm moving with my trackball now, and I'm gonna try and scroll. Okay, that didn't seem to work. Yeah, this isn't working. Unfortunately. What the hell happened there? Yeah, so it's not actually registering anything. Yeah, fuck. Okay, so we will need to do some bullshit. Unfortunately. So, what did he do here? Let's go through all of the windows stuff. Okay. Okay. So HITBI Windows H Win API. If it's greater than 12, I don't really want to use platform-specific variables. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. Set right timeout. Okay, is there anything else though? Yeah, we could try doing the Win API thingy, but I really would rather not do this shit. But if we must, we will. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of it. There isn't really much that he does. Yeah, that's the only difference that I see. Well, apart from that, I also see this thing, so... yeah, I didn't need to use this one though, so this is kind of annoying. Let's try run it again there. Yeah, so it gets the path, it just doesn't, like, read them for some reason. Maybe the path is wrong, I don't know. Yeah, but like if we go here, it should be alright. Yeah, it just doesn't work, which is, you know, which is a shame. Yeah. Okay. Well, let's try. Maybe let's try it on this one. VV. Let's try on the command line. Yeah, it just doesn't detect the read at all. So that's a shame. Well, at least it catches the Control C, so that's good. Okay. Right, we can try set this thing. See if that helps. So that'll be in the protocol. That'll be where we create this thing. So yeah, we set it to non-blocking, and then I'm gonna maybe put this here. If win 32. Yes, so this will be yes, I dot handle. So this will time it out if it's, you know, if it takes longer than 5 seconds. So I don't really see how that will you know, kind of affect anything, but you never know. So let's try and compile this thing again. Okay. Interesting. So I guess this is part of and this must be part of this thing. So let's try and include this thing as well. Yeah. here. Say if win32, we want to include this thing, and that thing is here anyway, so yeah, Jesus. Okay, so that might do the job. Fuck, why? Undefined reference to... Huh. No. We are including this, so we should find it. But I guess that just doesn't fucking exist anymore. So that's great. And that is actually great that it doesn't. Let's just keep going. Okay. Okay. Okay, so it still doesn't detect it, unfortunately. So just for a quick test, I want to check if this is actually reading properly. So, print f I am reading. Because if it only reads it once, then no, yeah, it is reading. Okay, so yeah, it is actually reading, so that's fine. It just doesn't yeah, it would say unable to read, so I guess it's just reading nothing. Interesting. What the fuck? Huh. Yeah, because when we handle the packet, it will actually log the actual packet, so I'm guessing the packet didn't fucking arrive. Okay, so next thing. So yeah, we included all this shit, but that's it really. So it should be able to read, and it should be able to write. Let's go into issues. Let's see if there's any issues here. For us, kind of the opposite problem. Uh, yeah, let's see. Hmm. Let's try this one, HID DPI tester. Well, like, we can read, we just need to kind of send stuff. Um, yeah, HID read. HID read. Let's see if anybody. Yeah, HID read returning 0. Yeah, so we open the handle with HID open path, but we can actually use something else, because here when they open this shit, shit, they also use open path, I think. Maybe they don't, I don't know. Let's search for HID open. Serial number. So VID, PID, serial number. Okay, so we can try this thing. So if win32, where is this shit? Okay, here we go. If win32, we can do an else, then we can do an end if thingy here, like so. So for everything that's now Windows, we'll do this. Otherwise, we will open with VID, and then ts shit I dot PID, then we'll do a nice null in here. Yeah, let's try doing it that way. And where did my terminals go? Okay, so hopefully this thing got saved. And it did. So now... No, it still doesn't work. Fuck. Huh. That is, shit. That is great. Or if we try it here. Yeah. Still doesn't work. Huh. That's so dumb. Like, it does find them, it just refuses to fucking read them. Which makes no fucking sense. Makes no fucking sense at all. Okay. Yeah, so they kind of use them interchangeably, which is fine. And yeah. You can actually try get rid of this thing inside here. Just in case that like fucks something up. Yeah. I don't know, this doesn't really do shit. HID, let's just try and Google HID API. Not read on Windows. Ah. Okay, well this is very old. I see, so they just kind of open it like this. Okay, cool. Is there anything here with like, you know, relatively... Okay, well I can actually find... I can find the device just fine, I just can't read. Some fucking reason. Which is weird. Yeah, so that's definitely okay, weird. HID read not working on Windows. Yeah, something like this. Ah, interesting. Okay, so what this guy's saying is, if I were to run show, and if I were to go here, what he's saying is, yeah, let's actually just copy all of this output into a new text file here. So temp.txt, and yeah, what we need, we don't need this, don't need this. Macro pad, we don't need this, we need the trackball. Wooting, B-stacks, huge, we don't need any of this. Yeah, we don't need the macro pad. Don't need, oh yeah, we do need this one. It's kind of like all over the place, which is a bit annoying. Yeah, we don't need this, we don't need this, don't need that, don't need this. Okay, ah shit. That's Ploopy, WL, Ploopy, WL, Ploopy. Okay, don't need any of this. Micropad, routing, WL mouse, don't need that. Corsair, routing, okay. Don't need any of this. Now I have the trackball here, another trackball, another trackball. Okay, so this is our keyboard now, the tactile menu form. Don't need the macro pad. There's some Xbox controller. Okay, so another trackball. Okay. Yeah, menu form, huge. Camera, huge and huge. Okay. So, trackball, 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 menu form, trackball. Okay, I think we lost a couple of ones, but yeah, there's meant to be more menu form ones. That is interesting. Okay, so there is, if we were to search for this, there's only one. What the hell? Why is there only one? Hang on. I think I might have deleted something by accident. Okay. Yeah, that's trackball. Oh. Interesting. Uh-huh. So I see what the problem is. It's not showing this thing. Uh-huh. Okay. What the fuck? So, yeah. We need to look for these numbers, and it is not showing R1, our keyboard. So, what I'm gonna do... fuck's sake. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna restart... well, I'm gonna disconnect my keyboard and connect it back in. And see if that helps. Okay. Alright, so I plugged it in. I'm gonna grab all of this output. And I'm gonna paste it in here. Huh. Yeah, it's not showing up on my keyboard for some reason. It's very bizarre. What the fuck? So yeah, that makes sense why it's not actually fucking showing. Or why it's not working, because it didn't fucking find it. What the fuck? Yeah, so when we run this thing, there should actually be 3. And this 455D, if we were to copy that, and if we were to paste it in here, this is actually our macro pad, it's not the keyboard. So that's a bit insane. Yeah, I don't understand why that would be the case though. Huh. That is weird. That is weird indeed. But the good thing is, then we probably don't need this thing. Yes, the good thing is we probably don't need this thing. We only need this thing. And we probably don't need this thing as well. Yeah, just fucking leave it there for now. Okay, that's the only good thing. But the bad thing is, why is it not showing? So if we were to compile this thing, did I actually put this in the... Yeah, I did. Okay, so yeah, we compiled it. Yeah, okay, well, you know, it is what it is. I didn't actually program anything into the macropad to send stuff, because I was gonna do that later. I didn't fucking expect Windows to, you know, be fucking shit like this, but you know, I should have known. Yeah, so the macro pad, or my keyboard, is meant to be... It's meant to be 44D 3537. Wait, that is awfully... Ah, 445D. Okay. I think I know what the problem could be. It could be because these are the same VIDs. So both of them are showing up as the same VID for some reason. And that could be causing issues on Windows anyway. Fucking Windows. Yeah, that's my hypothesis anyway. Even though product ID should kind of, you know, justify that, but it is what it is. And it isn't what it isn't. But yeah, typical Windows fucking shit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reboot into Linux. I'm gonna recompile the firmware for this that keyboard, since it doesn't really matter what I use for this one. I'm gonna compile it something else, and we will see what the story is then. So yeah, because I think that's the only explanation for why this is happening. So yeah. Alright, so I'll be back in Windows after I recompile it in Linux. Alright, see you boys. Alright, so yeah, we are back. Yeah, so booted into Linux. And I changed the PID to be something completely different. And there we go. So yeah, now it actually shows up. Yeah, so I changed it to this and the PID to just food. That's why not. But now, oh yes, it is actually fucking working. Although it's not actually sending. Yeah, so it's receiving the packet, but it's not actually sending to him now. Fuck's sake. Huh. Yeah, so there's something weird with the sending now, but at least we actually can see the packet. And the packet looks good. Yeah, looks good. So now we just need to see why the heck it's not sending. Now, it could actually not be sending maybe because we need to run it as a admin. So let's try that. Raw. Just get in there. So this will be, oh yeah, QMK raw router exe pv. Okay. Yeah, so this thing should be responding, but yeah, it isn't. Okay, so it's not sending now. So yeah, we got one step closer at least. Okay, so in here in the readme, yeah, so here make sure your PID and PID is completely different between your devices, otherwise Windows will ignore one of them. Okay, but now we need to figure out why it's not writing. So yeah, should be going to this thing, and we do have this thing, so should be fine. But what we want to do is we want to add some logging here. So where's this shit? Oh yeah, that's find devices, handle packet. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so print f about to write, then print f we have written, like so. Okay, let us compile this thing, and then let us run it. So yeah, it says it wrote, but yeah, clearly it didn't. Yeah, so it wrote to something, but it didn't receive it, or yeah, authorize. Yeah, so that still works. Yeah, I was just testing the thing, but yeah, this thing is not receiving the packets for some reason. And I'm not sure why. Like, everything looks good. Um, yeah. God, man, Windows fucking such a pain in the ass, honestly. Like, well, it does see it though, so I don't know. That is weird. We could try removing this for now and just kind of forward it. Let's see if that works. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be sending it, or I don't know, something weird. But yeah, it is writing. Let's actually see if see HID write. Okay, then how we're writing is just, yeah, just how it should be. Yeah, so these are the only two places, so I don't know. Should be working like. Okay. Yeah, actually, if I were to send it here. Oops. Yeah, so it is written and all that kind of stuff. But, oops. Yeah. Yeah. So, like, all in all is fine. Wait a second. Wait, why is this like this actually? Index from. Should be from this. Oh no, wait, never mind. That's a read packet. Yeah, so yeah, sending packet, and then we can print the packet here. Let's see this thing. Okay. Yeah, so sending packet. Yeah, so we do change it there. And so yeah, like that looks good. Well, yeah, it's just not reading it, I suppose. What the fuck? Very strange. Okay. Right, now did they say anything? Okay. Huh. Interesting. Ah, fuck's sake. Let me actually see what kind of things I might be able to trigger here. So an easy way to trigger this thing is to kind of put in a bad packet. So okay, so returns here. Ah shit, so if it's a bad packet, or actually HID, yeah, so we can send this thing. So yeah, received data. Actually, I think yeah, I think if I were to do this, about to send, so HID raw operation 2 is what is FF. Okay, so yeah, I definitely didn't send that one. Okay, so and yeah, so I think what we can do is we can just try to trigger that. So we can do packet operation equals 0xFF. So that's the simple operation 2. All right. Yeah, simple operation key 2. Yeah, so that should be that. And let's see how that works. Okay, then if I were to do it, then wait a second. Wait, now I'm very confused. So handle packet, we print packet, received packet. Oh yeah, because I didn't fucking print the fucking packet. Oh shit. Okay. Right, so anyway, here if I were to... Okay, so yeah, we're sending this packet. Header is correct. Operations FF. And then payload doesn't matter because we're only checking the thing. And it didn't type out... yeah, it didn't type out received data, which is what we needed. Now, what could be happening is this. It could be going inside here. It could also be going inside here. and returning, or just completely not sending. So yeah, unfortunately for that, I will need to recompile this onto that thing, which means I need to boot into Linux, because it's gonna be an awful fucking pain doing it on Windows. But we could try QMK for Windows. What is this? Okay. We can try this shit. It's a big ass fucking file, Jesus. What the fuck? But you know what? If it works, it fucking works. Okay, so let me try and run it. Yeah, this is what I fucking hate about Windows. It is so fucking annoying. Sure, let's try that. Oh, Jesus. But yeah, I don't really want to reboot back into Linux to fuck around with this shit. Oh my god. I have a funny feeling it's the length, but I don't know, that just doesn't make any fucking sense. Cause yeah, we aren't like filtering by anything. So yeah. Now what I could probably do is like copy this folder or something. No, it's just copy path. What I want to do is actually like download this whole thing. Jesus. Yeah. That is such a shame that it doesn't actually fucking read it for some reason. We can actually try HID API, not our HID write not working on Windows. Ah, fuck's sake. No, I need something like in the last bloody fucking year at least. What the fuck is this? Right, okay, anyway. If I were to open this terminal again... Yeah, there we go. Cool. Where am I? Interesting. If I were to go into A, CD software, CD QMK, what the fuck? Okay. Okay, I guess we can just install it here then. Yeah, we can actually see the QMK and CD home. Yeah, fuck it. Do we have Git? We do. Okay. That is fine then. We can try and clone this shit. Ah, fuck. Okay, well. So git clone. Yeah, this might take a while. Actually go back a little bit. Back to this thing. Because I have a compile command here. Let's try that. Okay. So this will be trackball. Okay, and if we run this thing, will it just work or will it fail? Okay, it failed because we need to our QMK git submodule. Possibly, I don't know. That's what you do on Linux anyway. I'm not sure what the fuck we're using here. Using some weird fucking shit. Jesus, it is so slow on Windows, holy fuck. Okay, my god. Can we fucking build this shit now? Why is it so slow? Oh my god. Have you seen how fast it is on Linux? Like on my previous videos, holy shit. This is... Wow. I'm actually fucking shocked. I am actually fucking shocked how slow this shit is, what the fuck. I wonder if I'll be able to flash it even. Because it's so fucking slow, holy shit. Like here, it's compiling around 1 line per second. On Linux, it's like 100 lines per second. What is this? Get drivers. What the fuck? Okay, that's good that you can actually do that. It actually opened it up. And okay, so it is here. So technically it got built. I guess we just need to fucking manually move it in there. Which is, you know, which is on par for Windows, but yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, keyboards are MSU trackball. Okay, so god, this is gonna be a fucking mess. Okay, so god, why is it so fucking big? Anyway, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna do length is bad. Then we're gonna do header is bad. And that's kind of it. Then here we can do is yeah, here we can do actually do it at the very top. So incoming packet. Okay, let's try and compile that shit. Also weird thing is the Pi doesn't want to fucking... But anyway, I have mounted the Pi here. And we have compiled this thing, so 66... yeah, so 66. Okay, well, it's fucking... Yeah, I actually don't know if this, you know, properly compiled or what, but I guess it would have. So just drag it in. Then it unmounts itself. And let's see, the mouse still works. Okay. Or where are we? Okay, so we're still here. We can still send. Okay, can alright. Okay, so it looks like it's not receiving it at all. Because it should be sending... Oh yeah, actually. It would be sending it here, now that I think about it. Ah. Incoming packet. Header is bad. Huh. Interesting. Header is bad. Fuck. Huh. Okay. Alright, so at least the length is good. But header is bad for some reason. Even though I should be just sending this like before with like all the other ones. Okay. Yeah, it should just be like this. Very strange. Fuck. Huh. Now, what we can do is we can try to put this into a buffer. Yeah. So, right. Okay. So, I think I used SN. Nope, I didn't. Print something. I thought I used like SN something. Yeah. Yeah. I actually used it here. I forgot. Fuck. Okay. So, yeah, we have this info thingy. Char info. So what we can do is we can print the whole packet, or we can print the whole header. So we can do char b, and this can be, I don't know, like 32 or something. Or 64, let's go 64. And then what we can do is this. So, where did I get the info from? Oh yeah, that's the buffer, so that's the B, size of B. And what we're gonna do is add header received is, and this will be percentage x 0.04x maybe, something like that. And then that will be packet header, something like this. Then we can send string of B, and I think that will work. So we can try. Oh god, where where is this shit? No, not this one. Okay, there. No, not this one. Okay, I'm just gonna move this one aside. Oh yeah, it's here actually. Okay. So let's flash this shit again. Alright, it's actually waiting for it to flash this time. Should show up in a bit. Ah, okay, so it just fails to... okay, that's fine. Man, so dumb. But anyway. So you have to... it goes into here, and then it should do that. Okay, so... now then, I'm gonna send a packet. Oh yeah. Okay, so... incoming packet bad, header received is 40 FE. What the fuck? Oh, wait a second. I think I fucked something up in here, didn't I? On purpose? No, don't think so. Because I send this packet here. Yeah. But it said it got... Shit, where'd it go? Oh yeah, there it is. Christ. It said it got 40. Where is that 40 coming from? Fours from here? The fuck? 40FE. Huh, weird. Okay, what we can actually do here is we can try print this whole thing. Yeah, because like how I print it here. Yeah, we can actually try print this whole packet. Yeah, print packet. Ah, okay, so I just actually do %X, just big X. Okay, let's try just big X. And let's see how that looks like. We can also try printing the operation and stuff like that. Yeah. Is that? Then operation is %X. So that should be FF. And let's see, packet up. Oh wait. Operation. Yeah, there we go. So let us try to compile this thing. Okay, so actually compiles fairly quick now. I guess it just, saves all this stuff. So that's pretty good. Okay, so operation is 2. Uh-huh. So there's something weird going on here. What if we were to print the whole packet then? So this will be char C. We'll do 128 just in case. Then we will do this thing. Now this will be C, C. Then this will be whole packet. then this will be just the data, like so. Oh yeah, then we need to send string B or C. Yeah. Okay, let's see what the whole data looks like then. Okay. Oh, what? Int date unsigned int. Fuck. We can do something like this instead. Then we can just print like the whole fucking thing. So yeah, let's do that instead. So this will be that. This will be I is going to be less than length I plus plus, and we're actually going to do data I think that will work, and this will actually go into the C buffer, and then after that C length -1 is going to be a null byte. Then we will send the C string then. Wait, what am I doing? CI. Oh yeah, shit. Yeah, fuck. Yeah, because we need to kind of shove... Yeah, do you know what, actually? Yeah, we can do this. 0 to x. This will be data I. So in this case, C can just be like 16 or something. And yeah, so every time we're going to be doing this, then we are going to be putting it here. So for each character, it's just going to send, you know, a string. Like so. And that should do the job, I think. So we can try doing that. Yeah, that seems to have worked. I don't think it will ever actually flash this thing. It'll just kind of time out here, so we can just do that. Paste it in. Okay. Now if we go here, we can get rid of that. Okay. So here's the whole thing. Okay. So yeah, if we just pause this for a second. So we go into our temporary thing here. So receiving this, but we are sending this. Okay. So here's FF, here's 02, here's 0111. Okay. Huh, there's some weird stuff going on here. Yeah, there's no like ED anywhere, which is a bit weird. Um, which doesn't make sense, because what the fuck? Yeah, we're sending that. Yeah. Let's try like Operation AA. And let's see what we get. Oh yeah, well, I need to actually... Okay. Okay. So yeah, this will be kind of easier to see. So we're receiving this. We are sending this. Okay. So AA is right there. Okay. Can I not do... fuck it. Okay, so AA is there. Presume this is 02. 01, 00. Okay. And then the rest is just garbage. Alright. Next, what we have is FOOD. So that is actually here. It's just, you know, the wrong way around. Okay. So next is A340, which is here. Okay. So what we're missing is the very start of this header for some reason. Interesting. Now then, how long is this? This seems a little bit too long. Come on, for fuck's sake. Yeah, this seems a little bit too long. 46. So yeah, 46 divided by 2. Let's see. 46 divided by 2 is 23. Okay. Did I mess something up? Think I might have. This thing might need to be 23. Well, let's see. So, Yeah, because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 23 plus 9 is 32. Oh, fuck. Uh-huh. So, yeah, I think I messed this up. And somehow, Linux and the other boys thought it was just grand. Okay, do I have 24 here anywhere? See, 24. I do. Shoot. I think this needs to be 23. QMK router, HAD packet length. Where am I using this shit? Okay, that's just the payload. Yeah, mostly using it inside the example. Yeah, okay. So that sort of makes sense now. So I think that this needs to be 23. Yeah, this needs to be 23. So when we are sending the payload inside here, we actually want to yeah, do you know what? I actually think this will actually work. Simply because this thing will format it properly now, I think. So yeah, this should work then. Okay, let's give it a go. So let's compile it again. Because the router will actually kind of format the packet properly. However, this thing also formats the packet. So, so yeah, we'll probably need to compile this thing as well. So let's do that. Yeah, so my payload was just one character too big. Which I think was messing it up. Yeah. Maybe. We'll see. Okay, so I think compile now. Let me drag this shit in. Oh, no. In here. Okay. So let's start up the router again. If not, if this doesn't work, I'll have to edit the other fucking thing. So hopefully it works. So if we were to get rid of that. Okay, so it still doesn't work. Yeah, so received is to yeah, so basically we're just missing one because if we highlight all of these, right, and yeah, oops, yes, wait, this, yeah, this should be fine now, what the heck, yeah, yeah, we were to copy this thing, or I mean, highlight this thing, yeah, so it's 48. Yeah, so 48 divided by 2 is 24. Oh wait, it's still 24, what the heck? Wait. Oh yeah. So yeah, it's still too big. Okay. So yeah, it just kind of sends it as a one big memory chunk. Okay, that's fine. So now what we need to do is we need to actually compile our other thing, because it looks like Windows kind of sets it the wrong way. So git branch, or git checkout, I mean. That's actually good, because we shouldn't be doing this. And then we will need to... What the fuck? Ah, okay, Jesus. I was thinking, what the hell? Okay, so I'll need to git stash these temporarily. Then I'll need to check it out. Then I'll need to code keyboards, like so. Then here, all that we're doing is going to basically change this to, well, yeah, 23. And that's all that it should take. So then we need to compile the actual firmware. So to do that, it's gonna... Oh shit, this might not work. Yeah, because this relies on flashing. Relies on the... Or maybe, you know, it probably doesn't matter now that I think about it. Because I think it just writes it directly into the actual firmware. Ah, fuck. Yeah, I forgot about this thing. Yeah, shit. Fuck. Fuck's sake. Okay, well, you know what we could do? We can fix it on a router level. Which would actually be a good strategy, now that I fucking think about it. So, because then, you know, it'll kind of work for all of the mistakes. So, git checkout. To trackball. Okay, so this thing. Oh yeah. Oh god, like. Okay, so if I make a change here, it should let me check out now. And it did. Now git stash lie. So we get all of our changes. Okay, good. Now we are back here with the 23 changes and all this shit here. Okay, so at the router level, when we are sending this, wait, where are we sending? Let's find device. Yeah, so when we're sending this, yeah, we wanna set the payload to something. Can we actually do something this? Packet payload equals, let's see, 0x, let's do dd. Expression must be a modifiable L value. Must be a modifiable L value, what? What do you mean? Or actually, there is a nice function here. Yeah, we can do something like this. Yeah, so memset packet dot payload size of packet dot payload. So if we set it to shit. Yeah, we kind of fucked it up then, but yeah, that will at least hopefully get rid of this error, and then we can fix it later. Oh wait, wrong thing. Yeah, so we need to compile this thing. Hopefully that actually compiles, and it did. So now, if we were to do that, okay, so oh, did it actually work? I think it actually worked. Or no, I don't think so. Oh no, incoming packet bad header received. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so we're kind of missing shit, and let's see how big this shit is. So we're to copy this, paste this in. Yeah, so the payload. Oh wait, the payload actually starts here. Yeah, so altogether, this is 64, so that's fine. Huh, the payload is even bigger now, 25. What the fuck is going on? Oh. This should actually be HID packet len. Yeah, payload. That's what it should be. Okay, let's see if that works now. Okay. So still bad header. So we were to copy that. Okay, so still the same length. Yeah, so in this case, this is actually the payload. So the payload of this, yes, 25 5, so that's wrong anyway. Yeah, let's ask this fucking thing. Yeah, so how we're printing this thing is we're going through the length that we receive, and the length is actually okay. Yeah, if we were to put this here, the length is okay, 64, so it's 32. The length is okay, but for some reason it's like chopping it off. Yeah. Yeah, because we set it here. And I guess it chops off the start instead of chopping off the end. Which doesn't make much sense. So yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm not actually sure how I wanna do this thing. So let me go into some chat. No, what the hell is this? Give me chat. Okay, so I have the following C code. However, sometimes the packet payload is longer than HID packet payload len, which is 23, and it sometimes is 24 bytes. Can you remove the last byte if it's longer? Oh god, no, like there we go. Memset set the last byte to 0. I don't think that will matter, but sure, we can try it. Let's see this. So printf payload is too big. We'll try to shrink. We'll try to shrink. Okay. So let's try that. I don't think that's gonna do anything because it's already 0. Yeah, Windows is just kind of doing it badly, if you know what I mean. So Oh yeah, what am I doing? Yeah, so here. Yeah, so it's still the same thing. If I were to copy this, because that did absolutely nothing. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's exactly the same. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I am going to, just as a test, yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. I am going to create a buffer. So this will be, what is this? Payload anyway. So uint 8t, okay, so I'm gonna create uint 8t buff, and it's gonna be of length HID packet payload length, right? And then what I'm gonna do is yeah, so for let, or no, for int I equals 0, I is less than HID packet length, then I plus plus. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna do packet payload I, and it'll actually go into buff I, like so, right? Yeah, that looks good. So we send each of the packets, and then what we're gonna do is we are going to then mem set, so this will be packet payload, yeah, destination, or actually it won't be mem set, it'll be mem copy maybe, or actually since we're only writing, we technically could do this, so packet payload equals buff, expression must modify like this. Would that work? Don't think so. X or Y. Can I do something like this instead? Yeah, I just want to change kind of the pointer. Yeah, we can try doing just mem copy. I don't know. Mem cpy buff, although I don't think it's gonna be that big. Mem cpy buff, and then this will be HID packet payload len. Yeah, we could try that, but I have a funny feeling that's not going to work. Because, yeah, there is kind of like, yeah, it's just fucking Windows. Or it could actually be just completely different issue, I don't know. Yeah. Well, I mean, there is a lot of zeros. So that's not really helping. Yeah, so it's still the same thing. Okay, so that didn't work. Yeah, I want to be able to, yeah, I guess what we can do is we can create a packet here. So struct shit, what is this thing called? Yeah, QMK HID packet. So then we'll go back like so. So we created a struct here. And then what we can do is actually do something like this. So yeah, so pack.toPID, toVID operation is going to be packet operation. Okay. And then instead of doing this, we can do pack dot oh yeah, there's also payload length. So pack.payload length equals packet payload length. What we can do is pack dot payload I is equal to packet payload I. Then we don't need to memcopy this thing. We don't need to buffer this thing. Then print pack is going to be pack. We will probably do this. Yeah. And then this will be pack. So we're kind of like rebuilding it. Maybe it needs to be like this. Yeah, and that works. Okay. So we can try doing that. No, stop. See if that actually compiles, and it does. Okay. So then if we were to do that, oh yeah, we forgot to actually set the header. Fuck's sake. So yeah, right, so pack dot header equals packet header, like so. So yeah, we essentially just rebuild it, and it should be fine in theory. So let's give that a go. Huh, why? I am so confused. What if I did -1. What if I did that? Would that do any better? Or is it always just going to be zeros? Oh. No, it's still... That is very weird. Is it a problem with the header maybe? So if the header is, I don't know, 0x, let's go with AABB. Oops, no, let's compile this thing. Is it a problem with the header perhaps? Because like, yeah, Windows is just fucking great operating system, so you never know. What the fuck? 40 AA. Why is it always 40? Should be AABB. What is going on? Okay. Let's try that again. Okay. So. Oh, wait a second. Uh-huh. So it changed FE. So it's changing. Yeah, so this is what we're sending. So this is the header apparently. This is the VID. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, Z340. Yeah, so that's it. 8340. 0 food. Duration is 2. Payload length is 2. Okay, so but oh wait, this is 23 now. Maybe it needs to be -2. Let's try -2. Okay. Huh. Yeah, man, I just don't understand why there's a shit ton of zeros at the end. The first byte of data must contain... This must be set... Oh... Which only supports single report. Wait, actually, what is 40 in... Yeah, I think it's just 40. must contain the report ID. Can only support a single report. This must be set to 00. The remaining bytes contain the report data. Since the report ID calls to HID write will always contain one more byte, than the report contains, must be passed to HID write for a device with single report, followed by a data report. Interesting. With a single report. Uh-huh. Interesting. Ah, I think I understand what's happening. So this needs to be +1 maybe? Let's try it out. No, it's still 40 AA. But now there is crap at the end. Okay. What the fuck is this? There's B0, so I think that's just a random crap. Which is fine. So yeah, that wasn't it. So what you're telling me is I need to pass some shit at the end. Or at the start, I mean. So if I were to pass, say, CC at the start, I think that's gonna break something, but let's just try it out. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, so we need to do this. Okay, so we builded our payload here, so that's fine. And then what we need to do is we need to pass some shit at the start of it, which means what we're gonna do is we're gonna need to create a gonna need to do something similar to this. All right. So yeah, we are going to we're gonna need to create like a u int 8t buff, and this will be of this will be yeah, this will be raw heap size +1, right? So we created that. Next we need is a u int 8t, and this will be squash, and this will be a pointer, and it's going to be a pointer to u int 8t star pack. Does that work? Oh yeah, I mean, fuck. It equals this, right? Surely that works, right? Or maybe this needs to be over here? No, well, this thing needs to be a pointer. Yeah, that would work. Alright, and then we do buff 0 equals 0x0, like so. And then, yeah, and then for int I equal to 1, actually, and I less than raw heap size plus 1 and I plus plus. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna buff I is equal to is going to be equal to squash I minus 1, like so. I'm not sure if this works as expected. I might need to do something like this to dereference it. Operand of must be a pointer but has type uint 8. What if I did it like this? No, that doesn't work. Okay, we'll try it like this. I don't think this will work, but it should be fine. Then once we copy the whole buffer, what we want to do is we want to send buff instead, and this will be +1. And not sure if that'll work for any other OS, but let's see if it works for Windows, because that's kind of what I understood that this thing is doing. Okay. So yeah, that actually seems to be the case. Yeah, we could actually do like an if, like this whole thing could actually be like, you know, inside a Windows thing, like, you know, inside a Windows clause or whatever. So we can actually do that if we wanted to, but yeah, we actually could, since it's only a problem with Windows, like the rest of the things are fine. Okay, so yeah, I think the header is actually fine. So which means we can actually do packet header, like so. Okay, so I think that should be fucking fine then. Yeah, so if we were to compile this thing, and if we were to run it, all right, so I'm gonna try scrolling with the scroll wheel now and see how it goes. So I can do that, and yeah, okay, so yeah, it works now. Okay, cool. So that is good. So yeah, basically it was a problem with Windows and a problem with another thing as well. So yeah, that's great. That's really fucking good. Okay, well, yeah, seems to work now. Let's see if information works. Info, yeah, information works perfectly. So that is good. That is good indeed. Cool, 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 cool. Yeah. Okay. That is cool. Yeah, I did not know that about HID right, unfortunately. But, you know, it is what it is. Yeah, we managed to figure it out. Right, so... Yeah, so report ID must be the very first thing. Only for Windows, I think. Okay, so yeah, we managed to actually figure this mystery out. So let's get rid of all this junk. I'm pretty sure it's only for Windows. So in this case, what we're gonna do. Okay, so this thing is universal. This thing is universal. The rest isn't. So what we need to do is we need to grab this feckin' this thing. We need to put this here. So if Windows, so yeah, everything here is actually for Windows. So this will be else, and then end if. Now, in our case, for Linux, yeah, we can do this shit for, where is this? Yeah, this is streaming. So here, we'll actually copy this out, but this will actually be packet. And here we will not do that, and this will be packet. And then here we only need to copy these, and it will be here. So it'll be packet to vid, packet to this thing. So we can actually check what it was before by going into my repo, because I didn't obviously push this thing yet. So here. Yeah. Yes, exactly. All it is just this found true and then packet to vid, packet to PID, and that should work. And then we're just sending the packet here. Yeah, packet here, then raw eep size. Okay, so yeah, that will work now. Oops, wrong thing. Yeah, so this will be good. Yeah, so that is perfect. Now the other thing is we need to tidy this thing up a little bit. So we don't need this. Length is bad. Fuck it, we can keep this. Then yeah, this is a little bit fucking messy, but I like the raw packet dumping. So yeah, do you know what? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so bad header. And then operation we don't really need. So that can go here. And we can just use C for all this. So just to, you know, kind of keep the firmware size down a little bit. And there we go. So that, because I kind of like this dumping shit. So yeah, we can just do that, and we can actually even just do this. Maybe bad header. Length is bad. Yeah, boy. Or actually, yeah, actually what we could do is actually really fucking simple. Send string. We can do header is bad, right? And then just get rid of this thing so that there's no bullshit in the way. We print this thing, right? Then we do kind of, you know, a bit of spaces here. And that should be fine. So this thing can actually be reduced to like fucking 4 bytes because we're doing each byte on its own. So yes, that'll be 1 byte. Oh no, actually never mind. Let's do 8 bytes total. Just in case there's some weird fucking shit going on. And that should be fine. That'll reduce our kind of RAM usage a little bit. And yeah, that should be good now. So let us yeah, so let us new, yeah, there we go. Now let's flash that. This is just to kind of clean it up since we don't need a lot of bullshit basically. Okay, so while this is loading, we should see it. So yeah, Windows is fucking interesting shit. So stupid, like god damn it, like so annoying. But I guess it kind of makes sense. I don't know. It is what it is, and it isn't what it isn't. Okay. So this thing compiled. Let us do that. Okay. So the router should still be running. And let's see. Okay, yeah, we need to wait for the thing to refresh. Or we can just rerun the whole program. By the time I decided to do that, it already refreshed. So, boom, boom, nothing is being typed out. Yeah, let's try that again. Yeah, nothing is being typed out, so yeah, it's nice and clean. Yeah, and then the info packet is arriving as well. So that is pretty good. Now, if we run it without this thing, you know, we can... Oh yeah, I forgot to uncomment out the sending packet. Yes, we don't really need the sending packet anymore, because, yeah. Sending packet, print packet. Don't need that anymore. That was more for massive debugging. But yeah, if we run it now, I should be able to scroll with my mouse. Yeah, scrolling it nicely. Or with the trackball, with the secondary trackball. Then, if I were, and then obviously here, there's like no outputs or anything. That's good. Then if I were to increase my DPI to like 800, it's all working here as well. So yeah, you know, it is what it is, and it isn't what it isn't. You know, it's pretty cool that we actually found that weird fucking bug thingy. And it's pretty cool that it actually works properly. So yeah, that is pretty cool. Yeah, pretty interesting. Okay, cool. So yeah, I'm gonna add some notes for myself. Say we don't need any of this anymore. But what we do need is this thing here for debugging, since that'll be kind of handy for debugging these boys. Yeah, I'm gonna put that here, and then I'm also going to make sure that this is changed to 23. Make these changes on Linux or on the Arch. Yeah, I don't have the GitHub keys set up for this shit to actually do it. So, oh yeah, another thing that I wanted to do was this thing. All right, where do we compile for Windows? This thing. What I want to do is I don't want to, you know, have this HID blah 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 thingy here. So I have the following Windows compile. What do I call it? Command, I suppose. Command. But it relies on having a high DAP DLL present in the folder. How can I compile to include it in the final exe? Yeah, statically link. You need to ensure that you have the static version. Oh shit. Or .lib extension. Okay, it actually does have a .lib extension, so that's good. And yeah, here's how it might be named. Yeah, it is. Modify the command. Okay, so right. Where am I? Length. So let's take a look at this length. So it's 66 because this is quite fucking big. So yeah, 66. Shit. What? Where's this fucking thing? Yeah, so if we look at it in Windows, our exe is 65 kilobytes. So keep that in mind when we compile it with the new command. So to statically link, run this instead. This will prevent the need from having HID API.dll in the same folder as the exe. And then we're going to do sh. And we're going to do that. So what is the difference here? Oh, it can be HTTP router will include. Huh, I see. So it just does it like that. Okay, that's interesting. That's pretty cool actually. That it's that simple. Okay, let's try it. Fuck. cannot find .lib. What do you mean? It's in x64. LD. Huh. So, running this resulted in but hidpi .lib is in the correct folder. But that's what I did before, and that didn't work. Oh. This doesn't build a static exe though, and relies on the ELL. What the fuck? Okay. See, Windows, MIG. What the fuck is this shit called? MIG W or something. Statically link dot lib. Yes. What the fuck? Well, we can try static maybe? I don't know. Yeah, let's try that. Let's see if that actually does anything. That created some bullshit. What was it? I saw something. Yeah. Okay, well, if we were to refresh this. Okay, so it's still 65 kilobytes, so that means it didn't fucking work. Because, yeah, if I were to move this into here, back to where it was, I won't be able to run it. It will just exit. So, that didn't work. What in the fuck is this? Maybe it just doesn't support it. I don't know. Hmm. I wonder, is there anything here for no, nothing here. Maybe this thing info? Uh okay, so this just goes back to huh. Okay. I mean, I guess we could build this thing, but I really do not want to. Okay. I'm pretty sure they built both of them because we do have this thing. Um, so I guess I'm just not compiling it properly. I don't know. Okay, what if uh yeah, this examples, yeah, sure, examples. Alright, well, this is great, but it doesn't really, this is what we were looking at before anyway. So let's look at issues. We will get rid of this thing, and we'll do static. Huh. What the fuck? Okay. So they're using some package config. What the fuck is this? I just want to compile this as static. Okay, let's go into another one. Okay. I guess Windows users just won't have it. Yeah, which is a bit annoying since you can't like you'll need to zip up the exe, but you know, it is what it is. Yeah. So we'll just get rid of the static here. And then run the router. And yeah, it works. Good. So we'll just yeah. Get rid of this thing. You will need to have in the same folder as the exe. Otherwise it won't run. The .dll is found in the first zip inside x64 folder, so you can just move it to ever your .exe is, like so. Yeah, I might just you know, put this inside a zip and then put it on GitHub as kind of release one, since it is quite difficult building for Windows, not gonna lie, but the rest should be fine, I think. I don't know. We'll see how it is. But yeah, it is what it is. Now, another thing that we can try is if I were, yeah, so like right now, if I were to open up this thing, like as an exe, I don't think, oh, it actually did. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's nice. That actually did that. It's pretty cool. And yeah, it still works and everything. Then if I were to change my DPI to lower it a bit, yeah, it's still typesetter. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Yeah. So now what you can do is you can just, pin this to your start menu or your taskbar even, and there you go. Every time you need to run it, all you need to do is just that, and you're good to go. So yeah, that is pretty cool. Pretty fucking handy. Handy. Yeah. So yeah, we got it working for all three operating systems now. Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So that's good. This project is pretty much done now. So yeah, that's some good shite. So yeah, thank you boys for watching, and I guess I'll see you in next episode, where I'll probably just show you how to kind of set it up easier, I suppose. Yeah, or something, I don't know. Who fucking knows? So yeah, thank you boys for watching, and bye bye.